Aren't you tired of all these online gurus giving you these make money online side hustles? But when you really look into their videos, they're a bunch of gimmicks and you're tired of that stuff, right? If you're like me, you're not looking for a get rich quick scheme. You're not looking for something gimmicky. You are willing to put in the work if it has true potential. And that's all you're looking for, right? You don't want anybody to lie to you. So in this video, I'm going to give you 4 untapped side hustles that you can start today to begin helping you make extra income on the side right now in 2023. Let's hop into it. Step number 4. Short form repurposing agency using AI. So what is it? There are many online creators, including myself, that are looking to expand our reach and our influence. But when we're running all these businesses, we have a lot of things that we miss. And one of those missing gaps is something called short form content. So here's how it breaks down, right? You're basically going to find an online creator who has a long form content. Think of like a podcast or YouTube channel. Then using AI software, which I'm going to show you here in a second, and the step-by-step, you're going to plug in their video. It's automatically going to chop it up into shorts for them. You're going to then send it to them as an agency. So I'll show you what this looks like step by step. So the coolest thing about this entire system is you don't need to be an advanced editor. The AI is doing most of the work. And because this AI is so new and it cuts out so much of the time, you can literally offer this service to 10, 20, 30 people, charge a monthly fee, and really provide a lot of value to this individual because they don't have the time to go be searching for all the AI tools. But because you watch this video, you can start that today. So what's your next step that you need to do? Let's look at step number 1. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go to this website called opus.pro. And another version is called Submagic. Okay, so these are 2 different websites. They both essentially do the same thing. So I like Opus. I just recently heard of Submagic, but so we'll use Opus for this example. So we're gonna go on Opus, and step number 2 is we're gonna go to YouTube, and we're actually gonna find a creator or a potential client. You could type in any type of word. For example, we have coaching business right here. You can type coaching. You could do drop shipping, people, any type of person that they have their face here and they're creating content, but they may not essentially have this content in short form content on their Instagram. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll click on this lady here, Courtney Saunders. I'll open her up in another tab here. I'm going to go to one of her videos and I'm going to see in the link in her description if she has posted her Instagram, okay, which most of them do. So I'm going to click the link, open up her Instagram, and that's going to take me here to her Instagram page. So what I'm going to look for is I'm going to see, is she taking her long form content and is she turning that into short form reels or TikToks, right? So if she has a TikTok in her description, you can also check out TikTok. And I see in this example, she is not, but she is a person that would highly benefit from having short form content. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the link to her video. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to Opus, and this cool thing about Opus is you can actually drop in a YouTube link. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the link in here, press get free clips, which I'm not going to do right now. And then instantly using the AI, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes or so. But what it's going to do is it's going to skim her video. And it's going to find really important segments in that section and turn it into a reel or an Instagram, a TikTok. It's going to put captions on it. It's going to edit the video. It's going to add sound effects. It's a really, really cool system. And I'll give you an example of one right here. Let that roll for another 30 days. And Anna enrolled over 35 people at a price tag of $3,000 and one $15,000 one-on-one client in her very first 30 days of launching her high ticket program. And that's it. She literally went from 0 to 100 grand in her very first month. So a bonus tip about Opus is that it actually gives you 90 minutes of free credits. And the way that they judge the 90 minutes of credits is the length of the video. So in this particular video from this lady here, it is looks like a 13-minute video. So when I post a link, that's going to take 13 minutes away from my 90 minutes. So if you want to do the extra step and not waste your minutes, what you can do is download the video. You can chop it up maybe into like a 3-minute or 5-minute trim, then put it inside of Opus, and that way you save a lot of your minutes. Okay, so let's get back to how you're actually going to get her to pay or whoever that is that you're working with. What you're going to do now is you're going to take that little video clip that you got and you're going to send them a message. And in the link in the description, I'll actually put a message that you can send them to help you get a better conversion rate. You don't need to have any experience. You don't need to have to do any of that stuff. The reason being is because we're leading with value. So we're going to say, hey, how's it going, Courtney? I just saw you on YouTube. Look at this video that I made for you, right? And because people are interested in themselves, they're going to look at this video and you basically fronted the work. And they're going to be like, wow, I really like this video. And the next series of things that you're going to ask them to see, hey, would you like me to do this for you, for your past videos, for your future videos, and do this on a monthly basis? They'll either say yes or they won't, right? So we want to find those yeses. And if they say yes, you could charge anywhere from $200 to $200 a month to $500 a month by doing this. And here's the next step. Send out 20 messages a day. And this is work, guys. You got to go out there and do it. Send out 20 messages a day. Get into doing exactly the system that I showed you. Find a creator on YouTube, get their link, put it in Opus, chop it up, send it to them, and using the script that I put in the description, send those messages out there. And if you do 100 people, I guarantee you will get somebody in this week that you can begin doing this software for. The cool thing about it is so many people do not know about this, but yet all these creators, they need this software. So this is a time where you can do this for the next 6 months to a year, make some money on the side, and get started with this side hustle. So this gives you plenty of time for you to find a client. Get out there, do the work, send out those messages, and get your first client. Now let's get into number three. Number three, high ticket affiliate marketing. Last week, when I was actually doing research for my YouTube channel, I was on vidIQ, which basically is a software that allows me to find keywords and things that people are searching on YouTube. And one of the keywords that I found was actually something called high ticket affiliate marketing. I had never heard of this up until about a week ago. So essentially, here's what it is. You may have already heard of affiliate marketing, but high ticket affiliate marketing is slightly different. So affiliate marketing is you get to promote other people's products or services. In exchange, they're going to give you a commission. You don't have to have your own products. You don't have to sell any products. They're just going to pay you a commission. Now, the spin on it is the word high ticket. High ticket means high value or high price. So essentially, instead of selling little itty bitsy things like on Amazon Associates, like $20 and $40 things, you're selling things that are above $3,000. So $3,000, $10,000, $5,000, and so on. And because you're driving traffic to a product or a service that's more expensive, that means your commission check is going to be a lot more expensive. I heard of some programs that are out there where you're getting $500, $1,000, up to $2,000 per commission driving traffic over to that person's offer. The only thing that you need to do is drive your audience or audience that you built up, whether you built it on Instagram or YouTube or wherever, or have an email list. You're going to drive all those people over to that person's landing page. When that person gives their email address, they get tagged with your name. And so when their sales team gets on a call and they sell their product or their service, you get paid a commission. So if you're going to be choosing a really good affiliate partner, you want to make sure they have a couple things. First one is you want to make sure they have their own landing page. Probably if this person has a high ticket offer, they probably already tested out a landing page. You shouldn't be having to build your own. They should be having their own sales team. They should be having their own product, obviously an offer. And you want to make sure that this person is trustworthy and gives a good offer. Those are some of the things that you want to look for when you are getting into a high ticket affiliate marketing. Here's some of the things that you don't need to get involved with this. You don't need sales team. You don't need sales experience. You don't need to build your own funnel. Because of the nature of a high ticket program or service or offer, those people have developed those things. So all you need to do is focus on one thing. Get a group of people together, whether it's an audience on Instagram, TikTok. You don't even have to show your face, right? Or an email list, and get all those people over to that person's offer. Here's one thing that you do need, though. It's going to take you a little bit of time to build up that audience unless you already have one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because in this coming week, I'm going to be releasing a new video where I'm going to give you some high ticket programs that you can begin selling right now and get those high ticket affiliate commissions. Untapped side hustle number 2. Etsy drop shipping. So you may have already heard of Amazon drop shipping or Shopify drop shipping, right? But those things are saturated. What you don't hear of is people doing Etsy drop shipping. So my friend Anna, I actually just made a video about her. You can actually find it right here in this corner. Anna is one of my good friends where she's made over $4 million on Etsy. And the cool thing is she told me that she has over 50% margins. So that means in the last couple of years, she's made over $2 million drop shipping on Etsy. Essentially how it works is you're going to partner with Etsy and create a store. And what you're going to do is you're going to find manufacturers that actually allow you to drop ship on their platform. And the cool thing about Etsy is that it's not as saturated as Amazon and drop shipping on Shopify and all these different things. Etsy has its own traffic already. You don't need the money up front because you're drop shipping, and it's one of the best untapped side hustles that you can get into today because not a lot of people are talking about it. You can even do a search right now on YouTube, and there's only a few handful of gurus right, that are actually talking about this. And I personally know people that are making millions of dollars on it because they're some of my clients. So a lot of Anna's students are hitting 5-figure months within just a couple months of working with her. And I think the reason behind that is because Etsy is such an untapped market. And if you decide to get into it over the next year or two, I think you're going to have a lot more success. Here's the only thing that you're going to need. You're going to need some effort. You're probably going to need a mentor, somebody to show you. I would check out Anna, see if she can mentor you. But you're going to want somebody that can show you the methods, show you what to do, compress time frames, and you don't quit and keep going. Last but not least, side hustle number one, high ticket products or services. Now, this is personally how I earned my first 7 figures in business. So really it was a mix of two things. It was a mix of number 3, high ticket affiliate marketing, because I had partnered with the famous Bob Proctor. So I was able to leverage his name almost like an affiliate or a franchise. And then I mixed it with number 1 here, which is selling a high ticket program. So what I was doing was I took Bob Proctor's knowledge and I was able to package it and sell it for $7,000, $10,000, up to $25,000. So what is a high ticket product or service side hustle that you can begin? So with a high ticket product or service, essentially what you're doing is you're taking your expertise or your knowledge or a skill that you have. You can have a skill in running ads, a skill in coaching, a skill in different things, right? And people are willing to pay you $5,000, $10,000 or more to help them condense time frames and get them a result. So basically what you're doing is you're leveraging your experience and your knowledge and getting it out to the world. Now, a high ticket price doesn't necessarily mean that you're just charging expensive. It's because you're adding a lot of value to that person's life. If you're going to start a high ticket product or service, you need to be solving a major problem for somebody. So here are 6 steps that you can do right now to get started. Number 1, identify your niche. You want to know exactly who you're talking to, who's the audience, what's the problems that you want to solve for them, and then you're going to help solve it. Now, number 2 is create an offer. Basically, you have to package up your expertise into an offer. When you exchange money for somebody, what are they going to give you, right? Or sorry, what are you going to give them? Are you giving them what time frame, what terms, how much time, what results are you going to give them, right? Is it a course? Is it a service? Is it a monthly fee? Is it a 6-month fee? That's what I mean by offer. Number 3, market research. Now you have to go into the world, and YouTube is a perfect platform for this. Almost every business I built was on YouTube, and do some market research. Look into the competition, watch some videos, see how other people are creating programs or services to solve the group of people, aka the niche that you want to work with. And now the next one, number 4, is pricing strategy. You want to make sure that you're pricing your product anywhere between $3,000 and $10,000. Whether you do it for a one-time fee or you're doing it for a monthly fee, you want to make sure that you're pricing yourself correctly in the market. Number 5, you have to build a landing page or a website or a funnel, somewhere for people to come into your ecosystem, somewhere for people to come in and show that they're actually interested in your product. And finally, step number 6, you want to launch it to your community and grow and scale it. Whether you're messaging people directly, whether you're launching it to your Instagram or your social media or your YouTube channel, get it to a small group of people. Make sure that you can actually get these people results and then scale, right? Month after month, grow, whether you're using ads, creating content, whatever it is. Take that expertise, take that passion that you have, get it out to the world, because I guarantee you there's somebody willing to pay you anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 to do it. And you can do it while you're still at a job or working on the side. If high ticket affiliate marketing or creating a high ticket product or service interests you, click the link in my bio. I have a free community where you can network with other people. And I even teach you how to build your own offer, all for free. I'm not selling anything, but go ahead and check it out in the link in the description. So if this video opened up your eyes to new possibilities of side hustles that you could begin to start making an extra $1,000, $5,000 a month, or even quit your job, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe below. So I'm going to be creating more content like this. I'll see you guys next time.